Hey everyone, it's the talented Mr. Fridge. As always, I'm so excited to bring you my sister's fridge in Biloxi, Mississippi. Oh, it's such a good one. I love looking at this fridge. The Bud Light dispenser, first of all, take it in. And then we have these fruit cups. We have some applesauce, baby food kind of stuff, purees, empty shelf. Read 'em and weep. The White Claw shelf. Back there's some pepperoncini peppers. That's a little cup of maybe Gatorade Zero. We have 000 blended Greek yogurt. We have some sauces. Constipation support for babies, soy sauce, medicine. Oh, an abandoned snack, strawberries. There's berries back there, raspberries. Chicken broth, grapes, strawberries. I'm gonna say that's red sauce. That's gonna be spaghetti. Sweet tea, milk, Coffee Mate. Bottles. Everywhere. A little bottle of champagne there in the back, which I think is sweet. Here we have black beans, zucchinis, roasted broccoli, potatoes and corn, breakfast bowl with potatoes, eggs, and bacon with a paper towel over it. White queso, more fruit cups. Ooh, that one looks good with the cherries. Cheese sticks, shredded cheddar, bacon bits, cheese cubes, classic hot dogs, shredded mozzarella, cheese slices, fully cooked bacon. Oh, these, I love having these balanced breaks. I have these when I come here sometimes. Mission tortillas. This looks like a fun one. Let's see. Yes, Lisa Frank unicorn shape sugar cookie dough. That's humongous. Oven roasted turkey breast. Sliced mild cheddar. Balance breaks. Okay. Mushrooms. Chicken. A bell pepper. We just have a little bit left. There's some Polynesian sauces from Chick-fil-A. Butter. Eggs. Cream cheese, tomato paste in a tube. Another, I keep seeing these. Barbecue sauce, mayo, grape jelly, syrup, Parmesan cheese, more creamer, French vanilla, egg makers, egg whites. This looks like Worcestershire sauce with no label. Sesame seed oil, Catalina dressing. Oh my god, Catalina on some pizza? Are you kidding me? Okay, and this is a ketchup. So that was amazing. I'm really glad that I took the time to do this and capture some special stuff, such as I will return to this. If you don't go looking at people's fridges, you aren't gonna see this. And that's what this show is about.